Did you know that you can also make this recipe zero waste? Click on the link in the description to learn how. In a food processor, add the rest of black beans and quinoa, the oats, the leftover peppers, walnuts, egg, onion, and garlic. Process and scrape the sides as many times as needed. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, you can add the spices and process them again. Or you can take out the processor's blade and mix in the spices manually. Using about 2 tablespoons as your size guideline, form the mixture into a ball. Push one of the cubes of cheese inside the ball and close it so that the cheese is fully covered by the mixture. Make 8 equal-sized balls and place them in the freezer while you prepare the sauce. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil and fry the onion and garlic for about 5 minutes or until golden. Add the crushed tomatoes, salt and parsley. Mix well and bring to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add the balls to the sauce, space enough so that they don't touch each other. Cover them with some of the tomato sauce, place the lid on the pan and let it simmer. After 7 minutes, move the balls to make sure they are not sticking to the pan. Serve them warm with the salad or dark bread, or both.